Alleviate and elevate. Alleviate and elevate. Same pronunciation but different meaning. So the first one is alleviate. Alleviate means to reduce or to decrease or to mitigate, to appease, to pacify. Alleviate. Let's give an example. So we can say the rich should try to alleviate the sufferings of the poor. The rich should try to alleviate the sufferings of the poor. And another word is elevate. Elevate means to increase, or we can say to develop, to escalate. So, elevate. So, we can give an example like good books. Good books elevate our knowledge. Good books elevate our knowledge. Alleviate to reduce, elevate to increase or to develop. Assalamu alaikum.